Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by verifying system compatibility and gathering essentials: your Microsoft account, a retail product key, and backups of templates plus PSD files. Once done, sign into account. Microsoft. To redeem or purchase Office 2021, do not attempt an in-place patch of 2013. Make sure to choose 64-bit or 32-bit installer that matches your needs. After redeeming, download the Office installer. Then close all Office apps and ready your admin password, because you'll uninstall Office 2013 next. You now remove Office 2013 to avoid conflicts. Use Settings Right Arrow Apps or the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to cleanly uninstall. Reboot when prompted. Next, run the Office 2021 installer you downloaded from your Microsoft account. During setup, choose file locations and the 64-bit option if compatible. This gives better performance on files over 2 GB. Once installation finishes, sign in with the same Microsoft account tied to your license and apply product key when asked, so activation can complete automatically. You finish by running Windows Update and then Office Update to ensure all security patches and feature fixes are applied. This stabilizes Office 2021 after install. Next, migrate PSD files and custom templates into their folders, reinstall add-ins, and test macros. Make sure macro settings match your security posture. If activation doesn't succeed, try the Office Activation Troubleshooter, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, or use the command line licensing tool. And if problems persist, contact Microsoft Support for key validation and remediation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.